It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to buy and ship from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a easy shopping for beginners. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tower, Pinduoduo, or I do fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Harley Pay account, or you want me to coach you or teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, or AliExpress, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to buy and ship from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, a very easy China importation for beginner. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from the app. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to click on here to type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload the product picture sample. Once you upload product picture sample with this camera icon, you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can swipe this way. This allow you to see products in different category. So click on here, you see another category. Click on here, you see another category. Click on here, you see another category until you are able to find the right supplier for the actual product you want to import. So I'm going to simply go back to the home page right here. So also from the home page right here, you can, the more you scroll down right here, the more you see different products that is going to load up from different supplier, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up. Okay, so just like so. Now in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use a product as an example. I need this kind of table right here. I need a table like this. I'm going to simply click on this particular product link as an example. So having clicked on the product link, it's going to load up like so. And once it's loaded up from here, you can scroll down and check on the product detail right here. The more you scroll down, the more you're going to see product graphics, just like what you see right here. Okay. So once you are satisfied with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to contact the supplier and ask them if they have the product available in store before you go ahead and make a purchase. And for you to contact the supplier, what we want to do is to simply click on here. Then after click on that, click on here to send the product link. And in a few seconds, you are going to get a response from the store right here. Now, this is where we can chat with the supplier and ask them detail about the product. So how do we do that? We need to make sure we chat with the supplier with Chinese character. If you don't know how to do that, what you need to do is to stay tuned to this video and see how you can easily chat with the supplier with Chinese character. Now, for us to chat with the supplier in Chinese character, I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo app right here. Then make sure you download and install Google Translate on your Android phone. If you are using Android phone, type Google Translate on your Play Store, and you are going to see. Then download and install it. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and look for Google Translate. So this is the icon right here. Just download and install the app on your phone. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app on your phone, next thing you need to do is to open up the app. And in a few seconds, it's going to open up just like so. The next thing you need to do is to set your language right here. So set this to be your primary language, while it's going to translate into Chinese right here. So I'm going to simply click on enter text right here. Then I will say, hello, my friend. Please, do you have these items available in store? I want to order now. Okay. Now, next thing you need to do is to click on here to copy the text. Then have to head over back to my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Click on here and paste the text and send it to the supplier. So if they are available, they will reply to your message as soon as possible. But if they are not available, you can easily come back here and check your inbox and read their response right here. Now, after you have communicated with the supplier and they assure you that the product is available in store, you have negotiated the price and everything with them, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order. And for us to place the order, what we want to do is to click on here to go back to the access page. Then from the access page right here, we need to make sure we have the product size we want to the cart. And for us to do that, simply click on here. The next thing you want to do is to click on go back. And then you have to go to your profile. And for you to do that, and you have to go to your profile, simply click on here to visit your profile. Then from your profile right here, click on here to visit your cart. Then you have the product in your cart right here. You can see response from the supplier right here. So let's quickly check on their response. So I'm going to go back to my chart right here. Click on my chart. Then you can see their response here. I'm going to click on it. And this is the store response right here. Now we want to see what their response is all about. Then we will know if we can eventually go ahead and place the order. How do we translate this? We can easily translate it by making a screenshot first. Then after making a screenshot, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo again. Then we have to make sure we head over to our Chrome browser. I'm going to make use of Chrome browser image refresh. So click on my Chrome browser right here. So having opened up your Chrome browser, click on this camera icon. Then select translate, select the screenshot, and allow it to translate. So it has been fully translated into English language. Then we can read. So right here, how much do you want? So that is their response right here. So what we want to do is to reply them and go back to our Google Translate right here. And I need just one piece of table. Then we simply click on here to copy the text. Then we go back to our Pinduoduo right here. Click on the chat right here and send the text. So you can see their response right here. So we want to make a translate of their response again. We make a screenshot. Then we simply go back to our Google Translate right here. Select the screenshot, then translate. Just place an order right here. It simply means that they have it in store. I should go ahead and place the order. It's that simple. So we have to go back to my Pinduoduo right here and then click on here to go back. Then we have to simply click on here to go to our profile right here. Then from the profile, we click on here again to fill our cart. Then we have the product right here. I'm going to click on here to select the product. Then I'm going to click on here to proceed to checkout. Here we go. So here, make sure you have your delivery address. Next thing you need to do is to choose a means of payment from these options right here. So in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with Alipay. Then here, I enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. Just like what you see right here. The next thing we want to do is to click on done right here. Then we have to click on this box right here to close this pump up. Then we click on here to go back. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like so, you have it right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to buy and ship from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.